how to cancel Monzo Plus or Premium plan. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, open your Monzo application, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, now what you can actually do is simply tap on the help icon that you'll be able to see right here, and then you'll be able to get to your profile, right? So all you need to do is simply tap on your profile, and after tapping on your profile, here you'll be able to actually see the option of Monzo Plus or Premium card hub, right? So if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see that option. Simply tap on that one, and then from that scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and then you can simply tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you'll actually be able to see the option of cancel Monzo Plus or Premium. You'll need to select that option, and then you can review any applicable early cancellation fees if within the minimum terms, and you can tap on confirm cancellation, and just like that you'll actually be able to cancel your Monzo Plus or Premium plan. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.